Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. But today we'll have a Gunpla unleashing. But it's a Beyblade unleashing for today. And disclaimer, I will unleash a bootleg or a fake Beyblade for this time. So let's go. Let's unpack this one, or let's unleash this Beyblade with my not so rusty but still helpful cutter, no, not cutter, but heavy knife rather. So yeah, let's go. Let's start unleashing this one. Let's go. Okay, that's it. So we have here, I think there are, let's see if there's more. It's secure, it's nice. It has this kind of foam packaging right here at the inside of the pack. Okay, or a parcel. So I've ordered 4 new Beyblades, but they are bootleg. It's from the Beyblade X, and yeah, we have new Beyblade X right now, which is the Dragon Dagger. Am I right? Dragon Dagger. Yeah, because we have first the Dran Sword. Now we have the Dragon Dagger, and then next is the Hell's Chain. The first one is Hell's Sight, and now we will have the Hell's Chain. So let's see what's the difference, and maybe I will buy the original one because the original cost 1,600. 1,400 to 1,600 pesos here in the Philippines. If you buy them, because they are set, they have the Dragon Dagger and then some of the recolor versions of the Shark Edge, and I don't know the other one. I think it's the Wizard Arrow again. Okay, so the other one also is with the Hell's Chain. It comes with the other recolor versions also of some of the Beyblade X units or Beyblades. So we have here first your Hell's Chain. Okay, so that's the Hell's Chain. So they have the Hell's Chain right here, and I think it's how many of this one? It's 560 maybe, because it has 5 contact points right here, and then now it has a new design like that. So if you buy or if you get or buy or purchase a Beyblade, a fake Beyblade X, it will be just come into this kind of plastic. So all of the parts contacts to each other. But yeah, they're supposed to contact each other. But we will have a separate unpacking or maybe unboxing already. But no, it's unpacking of Beyblade, and we will try, so it will be on the next video. Okay, now we have first the Hell's Chain, and next we have the Dragon Dagger right here, and very nice. But yeah, it's a bootleg. Let's see what will be its performance on the stadium. And then we have the Lion Claw right here. I already have it on its Bandai. Bandai. It says Bandai, but in Takara Tomy rather, so the original one. But yeah, I still love to have its counterpart, which is the fake one, like that. It's like heavy, and then the black one, the black side, it's also 5 contact points, and it's very nice also. So if it will not perform correctly, or if it will not perform nicely on the stadium, then I will just put them on my display shelf. Okay, they will become just a display. Next is I forgot the name of this one, but yeah, it will be included on the title of this video. So yeah, you just saw that, or you just observe that on the title, so that you will know the name of this Beyblade. But yeah, so we have here, it's like a Viper. I think it's a Viper. Yeah, it's not a Cobra, I don't know, but yeah, it's like that, that's animals. It also has a 5 contact points, and then also there a detail that we can see here already at the back. So because it's a Viper and it has scales, there are some scale kind of design right there at the bottom of the blade. Okay, so it's a nice kind of detail, and it used a ball like tip right there, so I think it will move a lesser maybe, because it's ball type, not with the Dragon Dagger, which is on a flat, wide flat kind of tip. So maybe it will move more or much faster than the Dran Sword. Okay, now because I have the 4 Beyblades right here, I also ordered a ripcord or a string cord for the Beyblade, what's that? Metal Fusion. Yeah, because I already have an unboxing and a review of one of my Metal Fusion fake Beyblade, also the Pegasus, in which I ordered a Pegasus collection of fake metal Beyblades. Okay, so yeah, we have here so that I can, wow, but it's so short, man. So let's see what will happen next time, because I know it has a ripcord, but yeah, ripcord or a reaper, whatever, or a winder rather. Okay, so this is much better. I don't know if it is better, but yeah, it will help. Okay, next I bought this launcher also, which it's the same with my other launcher, which is the red one. I have it on this side, but I know you already saw it on some of my shorts and also some of my Beyblade videos right here. So this Reaper is also can change from left to right spin. If you will push that, maybe we can change it. Let's see. Wow, why it can't? What? So it can change. Can. Whoa, that sound, man, I don't like that. It's not like with the red one. I don't know. It's really different. Let me get the red one first. Okay, so I got the red one. This is the red one, which is very nice, if you will. But yeah, the blue one, which is the new one that I've ordered, there's something that I don't like it. Yeah, that's that sound. I don't know. I think I really want to open this one. So I don't know if I can change it. You can change from left to right spin. So yeah, if you have a left spinning Beyblade, it's also good. It's much heavier to pull when it's in on the left turn. Yeah, that's how long. What? Let's try it again. Let's put it on the left or the right one, and then lock it, and then let's see. This much longer. I don't know if it is, but yeah, the red one is much more comfortable using it than using this blue one. But let's see what will happen, or if we will try these cords or ripcords on the stadium. And then lastly that I've ordered is the combo grip. Yeah, it's a combo grip that you can play or duel or battle 2 Beyblades at the same time without the shooting delay, because right here right now I'm using different ripcords so that I can play the Beyblade. But here we can see that we can use 2 Reapers or ripcords in one shot only. And it has these parts. It has 3 parts. It has this one, the holder, and then the connector right here, which you can put it like this. Yep. Is that locked already? I don't know, but yeah. How to do that? I don't know again. Okay, but yeah, it's loose. I don't know, but I will just play it like this one. And then you can put your launcher here, and then let me get it if I can use 2 big launchers on at the same time. And yeah, you can put it like this, and then you will get this one so that it will you will put them on the bar right here. Let's see if I can do it this time without having delay. Let's see. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly on the yarn or in the rope. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly and it's nice. And then this one, I think there is a better kind of locking mechanism right here, maybe, so that you can, I don't know if it has, but yeah. Do I need to pull this one? I don't know, but yeah, it's much better. Then you will pull this and you can launch the two shooters, or what you call that, the ripcords together, and you will have a as I know, the red one is much more longer than the blue one. See that? It's still long. So I think, yeah, that's how long the blue one, but the red one you can still pull more of it. Yeah. So you think it's not the same. Okay, but yeah, it's good that we have this one so that we can shoot our Beyblades together at the same time. But when we are using a burst Beyblade burst, so I don't know if it will be also compatible on the Beyblade X launchers. So maybe let's try a little bit this time, but now it's very hard to, yeah, let's just try if it will fit on this connector. I will get first the shooter of the Beyblade X. Okay, so we have here now the Beyblade X. Yeah, this is the original one. And still, this is also an original one. I don't know if we can use this because the Reaper here, or the, I think you need a ripcord right here. And it doesn't have any connections that we can use to put it right here. So yeah, I think we can't use this one. I don't know if we can. Let's see. No, you can't. Okay, because if you have some Beyblade right here, so I think I can use these two to use the holder right here, and I think I can launch them together. Yeah, maybe. So let's try. Okay, I will try. So wait for me. Okay, so I put the connector right here, but yeah, I think you just need to hold it like this one so that you can pull the strings together and they will launch together. Yeah, you can see that. So I think it will be a good try. So we will try this connector for dual launching next time. Okay, so these are the things that I've ordered for Beyblade X and for the Beyblade Burst, and also for the Metal Fight Beyblades right here. So this one, the 4 new Beyblades that we have, which is a bootleg or fake one, and then also the combo grip right here, which I already used some of the parts on the Beyblade X, and also the new launchers that we have for the Beyblade Burst and also for the Beyblade Metal Fight. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So it's all bootleg, it's fake, because if you will buy because I bought this only for 607, yeah, I think it's 627 pesos for all of these products that we have right now. And yeah, if you will go for the original one for 600 pesos, I think you can only buy 2 launchers like this one. Yeah, so, and you cannot buy Beyblade on that kind of money. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so we'll have more of this, and we will have independent or different videos for each of the Beyblades so that we can focus on the review of these Beyblades, and we will also compare them and battle them on some of the fake ones and the new original Takaratomi Beyblade X, and some of my Burst Beyblades, and also the fake my fake Pegasus lineup. And maybe I will have some, I will buy some original one, but second hand already, because the Metal Fight is a little bit rare right now for this time. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Alright, so it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and The Power Show signing off. Even it's not done. So let's go. Let it rip. I don't know if I will use that. 3, 2, 1, go.